Hi everyone, it's Jennifer with Froggywentaknitting, and today I have my Halloween Advent Day 9. So here is Day 9. Yeah, that's a 9, not a 4. Alright, excuse me, here's just the Paw Ply. Let's take a look. And here it is. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, I like that. Oh, but y'all knew I would. Oh my. I really like that. That's stunning. Oh, I like that. And here is the Laser Co. Day 9. Let's take a look. Alright, and it's a stitch marker that matches yesterday's sticker. And here it is. Alright, and just like before, I'm going to show you the stitch markers. If I get them, I don't think they're all going to sit. Well, let's try it this way. I'm going to put all the stitch markers up here. And I'll show you the stitch markers today. And one more. I'm trying to find a way to show them where you can see them all. Here we go. And here are the stitch markers. So I'm trying to keep them straight. You see, as you can see, I'm not, but I'm trying. But there's the stitch markers. Here we go. So those are the stitch markers we've received so far. And it's exciting. Day 9. We're getting there. So please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.